Welcome back to JODA Decor, your go-to channel for all things vintage and timeless. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of vintage-inspired holiday decor, where nostalgia meets cozy charm. If you love the magic of old-fashioned holidays filled with glowing lights, classic ornaments, and meaningful touches, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your favorite holiday memories. A vintage-inspired holiday home starts with one thing, a feeling. Think of the warmth of a crackling fire, the soft glow of fairy lights, and the comforting scent of pine. It's about recreating that sense of tradition and heart that feels timeless, no matter the decade. Start with a color palette that feels cozy and nostalgic: rich reds, deep greens, antique golds, and creamy whites. Add muted tones like dusty rose or faded blue for that gently aged look that feels effortlessly vintage. Your tree is the showstopper. Decorate it with classic glass baubles, tinsel garlands, and handmade ornaments that tell a story. Mix family heirlooms with thrifted finds to give your tree a personal, sentimental glow. Don't worry if your ornaments aren't perfect, that's part of the charm. Chips, patina, and age marks bring character. Vintage ornaments whisper stories of holidays past, adding authenticity to your decor. For that nostalgic ambience, swap bright LEDs for warm white string lights or vintage-inspired bulbs. Add candles or lanterns for a soft flicker that makes your space feel like a winter evening from decades ago. Layer your home with cozy textures, think crocheted throws, embroidered linens, and plaid wool blankets. These textiles not only look timeless but also invite guests to snuggle in and stay a while. Decorate your mantel with antique candle holders, evergreen garlands, and a few vintage postcards or photos. Add a mirror or gilded frame to reflect the light and enhance that nostalgic holiday glow. Set your holiday table with mismatched china, crystal glassware, and vintage silverware. Add a lace runner, taper candles, and some pine cones or dried oranges for that perfect old-world touch. Engage the senses with scents that evoke the past: clove-studded oranges, cinnamon sticks, and fresh pine branches. The right fragrance instantly transports you to childhood holidays. Blending eras keeps your decor fresh. Pair a mid-century ornament with a modern garland, or use vintage tins as planters for small evergreens. The secret is balance: old charm meets present-day warmth. Get creative with a few handmade details: wrap gifts in craft paper tied with twine, create vintage-style tags, or make paper snowflakes like you did as a kid. It's the simplest touches that make the biggest emotional impact. Nothing sets the mood like music. Play classic holiday records or vintage-inspired playlists while decorating. Let the crackle of an old record player fill your home with the spirit of holidays gone by. And that's how you can style a vintage-inspired holiday home full of warmth, nostalgia, and heart. Every detail tells a story and creates new memories to cherish for years to come. If you loved this video, don't forget to subscribe to JODA Decor, like this video, and comment below with your favorite vintage holiday tradition. Until next time, keep decorating with love and history.